I don't want to hear shit about what's over in this corner. Just warning you, I don't want to hear it. I forgot to pick it up, and right now I'm already like, I already started the camera. It's already like too late. So hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm gonna do an updated brow tutorial. Finally, I know it's been a minute, but yeah, let's just get started. So like always, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills medium brown brow duo powder, whatever, brow powder duo. You get what I'm saying? Ow! Alright, this shit's already like starting rough as fuck. So yeah, anyways, and then I just use this Anastasia Beverly Hills like angled brow. The like name and number has already like worn off like 1200 years ago because that's when I got it. And yeah, but they only have like one brush like this and it's for brows and it's perfect. Honestly, I love it. I think I even used to use it for like eyeliner because it's hella like stiff, so it's easy to like control. I don't know if that makes sense. You just gotta like try it for yourself, but it definitely works for me. I love it. I don't think I'll ever switch up on it. And they last forever. Like I said, I got this like so long ago. I don't even know, like maybe like 6 years ago, and it's still going strong. And I want to say it was like $20, but like what's $20 in 6 years? You feel me? Like it was well worth the fucking investment. But yeah, so I'm gonna just like fill in the brows basically, like wherever I feel like it needs to be darker or it's like sparse or whatever. That's what I fill in. But for right now, you don't gotta like worry about if they're even or not. You just gotta like fill it in, because like when you're carving it out is when you're gonna be able to know like how to make them more even. Then to conceal and like carve out the brows, which is like my favorite part because it's the most satisfying. Where the fuck is the front? Okay, I'm using this Huda Beauty Full Filter Concealer. I'm gonna zoom you up a little bit so you can actually see like what I'm doing. For the concealer brush, I'm using this M421 brush from Morphe. It's also like my favorite for this. I don't think I'll ever switch up, and she also lasted a long time. Like she's ancient at this point. But I always start with like the concealer over here, and then I like to pick some up and bring it to the front, because that way you like avoid having like too much makeup or making it look cakey or like just fucking up your brows in general. Like, you know what I'm saying? And then I really just let like the shape of the brush like guide me, like not just like in one motion, like drawing a whole line. Like that's how you're not gonna get it like crisp and like straight, I guess. And then depending on the day and like what I'm doing, like I'll drag like this concealer down for the rest of my makeup. And this way it's like my eyes are already primed, so that part's up to you, but the most important part for this video and like this tutorial is to carve out your brows. So, but yeah, I'm just like mentioning it because it's basically like 2 steps in one, you feel me? And then after that, I like to just like blend it out with this e.l.f. sponge. Alright, do you ever have like one of these days where you're just like clumsy as fuck? It's like no matter what you do, it's just like you're just gonna drop everything and make a fucking mess. Right now I'm like, maybe I should just go back to sleep and try again, like start all the way the fuck over, because it's crazy. And then just make sure you don't blink or like open your eyes, I guess, before you set it. And you can either take like a brush or like a powder puff or whatever to set your eyes. Like I used to do a brush, and then I was introduced to these, and like I haven't really switched back, to be honest. So yeah, and then like once you have like the bottom, it's really easy to just like follow along and do the top. But you kind of want it to like, you want to start it off at like being like parallel to like the bottom line. And I just bring it down, and I feel like the tail is like up to you. I don't really like it that long because I don't want it to like drag my face down, you feel me? Like that's also why I got rid of like my microblading, because not only were my brows like hella thick, like I feel like it made me look like hella masculine, and just like it wasn't a vibe. I have like a small face. Like also they went down like so far, like I don't know why. And like as you age, like it's only gonna get worse. I like to keep it like lifted. Makes you look younger. Look at the difference. It just like basically makes your eyebrows look like way more like defined and just like, I don't know. Like, yeah, you could leave it like this, but like this just looks way better to me. I don't think I'll ever not do my brows like this. And the girlies that like do their eyebrows first, I mean last, like they'll do their whole face first. Like, I don't understand how you can't even do that, because what if you fuck up and then you need to like conceal and like whatever. Like, I feel like maybe they're just like more talented. Maybe those are like the true artists. Like, I don't really know, but that's just so crazy to me. I'll never really understand it. And then just to like set everything in place, I always use like a brow gel of some kind. Right now I'm using this Refi Beauty, I don't know, I think it's like brow sculpt, I think is what it's called, but it's like this like liquid brow wax basically. And I'm pretty sure it's for like soap brows, but I still use it and I love it. I usually use this one, or I'll use like the Milk Kush mascara. I mean, not, whoa, the Milk Kush Clear brow gel. Also, this side is like my favorite side, like as far as like my brows. So like I always like to start with it first, because that way I can like try to match this brow to this one. Like in order to match them up, like I always like to drag out like the concealer like hella far towards the middle, and then I always draw like a line. And then that way for like when I do this side, like I know like to line it up basically. Also, if you hear like ticking in the background, I have something in my toaster oven right now because my stomach will not shut the fuck up. And I need to eat. And then yeah, again, I'm gonna just blend on this side. And I'm gonna blend out like the forehead too, because I don't know, like my OCD just won't let me like just leave it like this. And then I like to blend out the middle so that there's no like harsh lines. And then I just like to make sure that the tails are like long enough on both sides, because sometimes that like won't match. Right now I feel like it's not. Yeah, but that's basically it. I'm gonna go finish my makeup and I'll be right back to show you like the full finished product, because I feel like ending it like this would be like crazy. I just don't even feel right, so yeah. Alright, so I'm back. This is basically like the brows with the makeup and with like everything together. I just feel like I needed to show you this so that you could see like the final results, like with everything together. I don't know, maybe that was like extra of me, but whatever. But yeah, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions on like anything else like brow related, just, you know, don't be shy, just ask me in the comments. I do respond. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next one.